Kahit kailan pa man nais kong malaman mo ang puso ito'y parang sa'yo. Nandito ako, umiibig sa'yo, kahit na nagdurugo ang puso. Kung sakaling iwanan ka niya, huwag kang mag-alala, may nagmamahal sa'yo, nandito ako.
'Cause you know that I wanna be with you, feel you, I wanna see you, I need you, and I know I'm in love. I know I'm in love. I know I'm in love.
I love to hurt you, baby. I love to see you so sad. I want you to hear you saying please. I love to see you bleeding. I want you to be broken because of me. I want you down on your knees. 'Cause it's the only thing that makes me realize that there is something in your heart that you hide. But don't talk about it, so I don't know. I wanna hear it, so baby please, oh no. Tell me now if you really love me. Tell me now if you really need me. Tell me now, 'cause I'm confused. Tell me now, 'cause my heart is breaking. Tell me now, 'cause I won't stop asking. Tell me now, 'cause I really, really wanna know. I wanna see you walking away. Just wanna freak you until I hear you say.
Freak you?
So tell me now if you really love me, if you need me, if you want me, yeah. Tell me now, 'cause my heart is breaking. Won't stop asking, 'cause I really, really wanna know.
Ano ba ang nakita mo sa kanya? Tignan mo ang laki-laki ng kanyang mata. Wala na ba akong pag-asa sa'yo? Bakit ba iniiwasan mo ako? Maya't maya naman ako nagpapabango. Palibhasa wala akong Volvo. Gumising ka, huwag masilaw sa pera. Andito naman ako magmamahal sa'yo ng totoo. Please naman, sundin mo ang puso mo. Please naman, ako na lang piliin mo. Wala man akong pera, di naman ako katulad niya. Gagamitin ka lang parang laruan at iiwanan kung saan saan. Please naman. Di ko talaga maintindihan, hindi naman siya kagwapuhan. Payatot pero tignan mo bundat ang tiyan. Mas pogi pa daw ako kay Carlo Aquino. Mabait pa at hindi sira ulo. Siguro nga ay ayaw mo sa gwapo. Halika na, Maniwala ka sana, pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y walang humpay na ligaya. Please naman, sundin mo ang gusto mo. Please naman, ako na lang piliin mo.
If you fall in love, maybe you'll sing this song with me. And baby, if you fall in love, you can write a better song than this. If you fall in love, you will have this melody in your heart. If you fall in